Here I have XIAOMI Redmi 10C, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then tap here, go to its settings, then go to the watermark, and after you enable device watermark, you can add your custom watermark where you can enter your own tag, name, or some quote or text, whatever you want, like something like that. Could be this one. And now every photo I take will be marked with this watermark, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.